It was a long time ago, the day when so many bad decisions came to their inevitable conclusion. Land, turf, whatever you want to call it. You always want the thing you ain't got. You strip away the bullshit, it's what all wars come down to. Finally, it came down to this. One fight. There was no hiding anymore. They were getting careless, revealing their positions. What do? You go after every last one of them. Panic had set in. Everyone had become a target. Stealth had become its own weapon. You can't kill an enemy you can't see. This was their domain. They were born here and they were ready to die here. The attack was on. It was about who would walk out of here alive. Not everyone was coming home that night. It had been a massacre. No one had expected things to turn this ugly. After all the dust settled, they were shaken, disoriented, and in the chaos of the moment, they did something they didn't normally do. I take it they've stopped killing each other, for the time being. Oh, Jesus. But things were different now. They were safe, but for how long? Now time had turned against them as well. They started to run. They knew where they were going, and they knew what they had to do. They wanted to ride off into the sunset. They wouldn't let anyone slow them down. It went real wrong. Real fast.
They thought they were meant for each other.
Desperate times and all that. I, of all people, know the past can't be changed. Best you can do is try to leave it behind. It was time to rethink. They turned desperate, lashing out, shooting anything that moved. Jesus, let it go. It's in the past.
We don't want that. We don't want that. We don't want that. Oh no, I can't go on without you. I can't go on without you.
It was best not to think about what lay ahead of them. They lost the one person who gave them hope. You take a loss one day, you hit back the next, and round it goes. But too much had passed since then. There was no consolation to be had in any of this. But it ain't that simple. You don't like the game, you change the rules. There was no love lost. It ended the way it always does. You get to wondering, what went down afterwards? Why they didn't leave, I don't know. You're asking the wrong guy. This was where it ended, more or less. I gotta go piss.